Hi, it's time for another Treehouse tutorial. We're looking at short division today, found in the Year 3-4 maths curriculum. So let's have a look straight away at 548 divided by 4. I've got my multiples of 4 down the side to help me out. And what we're going to do is here in this method, we're going to say how many 4s go into 5 in this case. So how many 4s go into 5? What does that even mean? Well, we count up in our multiples of 4 and we see how far we can go. Okay, so in our 4s here we can only actually get one lot of 4 in, right? Because I'm just going to put that into green. 1 times 4 equals 4, and we can't go any further because we're only getting to 5, right? We can't get up to 8, for example. But we do have a remainder here, because 1 times 4 is 4, but we want to go to 5, so we've got one remainder, okay? I'm going to simplify this down into how many 4s go into 14 within the tens column. So, again, I go through my multiples of 4 and I say, right, well, 4, 8, 12, I can get that far. I can't get to 16, but 12 was 3 lots, okay? So there's my 3 lots, but also I've got a remainder here, hopefully you're shouting out, a remainder of 2, okay? And then we're on to our final bit here. So we're now in the ones column, so it is just how many 4s go into 28, and hopefully we can see from here, bang, it's right there. We don't have a remainder at the end of this answer because 4 times 7 is 28. Okay, so our final answer we're suggesting here is 548 divided by 4 is 137. Let's have a quick check on that one. And it's right, get in. We'll have a look at another one now. And as if by magic, we have another question up. So this one will be more so found in the Year 4 curriculum. This is a step up into the thousands. So now we have a look at 3,152 divided by 8. How many 8s into 3? Well, we know that our first multiple of 8 is 8, so we're not at any here. So you might want to put a 0 in there or to leave it blank, but that represents the fact that 8 times 0 is 0. And then we've got a remainder here of 3 that needs to come along into our hundreds column effectively. How many 8s go into 31? That's the crucial question here. 8, 16, 24. Can't quite get to 32, so we've got 3 lots. You can see that in green, 3 times. Okay. We did have a remainder there though as well. We should have calculated that 3 times 8 is 24. And then actually we were looking to get 31, so we've got a quite decent sized remainder here going in of 7, which is creating 75 here, which has actually got the value of 750. But again, we look at it as 8 into 75. Okay, thankfully this is the advantage of writing out our multiplication facts, because I can just go straight down here and I can say, right, well, 9 times 8, I know that 9 times 8 is 72, so I'm going to be saying here that we need a 9, but equally I've got a remainder of 3 because I was looking to get up to 75. Okay, now we're in our ones column. How many 8s go into 32? And as we'll be screaming out now, we can see that 4 times 8 is 32. So I've got an answer there, and people get a bit confused with this 0. It's basically an answer of 394. I will check with the VAR system that I'm right on that one as well. And I am. Get in. Right, have a good go at them yourselves. Right, keep questioning yourselves as you go about your understanding using this method. Have a great go.